How you can hide Meta AI on WhatsApp permanently. So first thing first, let's open the WhatsApp business app and make sure your WhatsApp business app is downloaded in your mobile phone. So let's open it, and once you open it, you can see there is chats option at the bottom of this section. So just select the chat option. So once you select it, you can see there is Meta AI at the very first. So what you can do is slide it to the left, and you can see there is more option. So once you tap on more, you can see there is lots of option in here. So you can see there is mute and also delete chat. So make sure to tap on mute first, and after make sure to always, and again slide it to the left, more, and finally tap on delete chat, and yeah, confirm it, and yeah, you will be able to delete it successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to hide your Meta AI on WhatsApp permanently. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.